Hello traders, today once again I am going to show you guys the power of my setups which I trade on the daily basis. Apart from my pin bar setup, this is the most frequent setup I trade in the forex market. Traders, this setup uses the popular concept of fair value gaps. Those of you who don't know what are fair value gaps, I am going to give you brief intro of this concept. Traders, when you look at the individual candles on the chart, you will see almost most of the candles are overlapped with one another. Basically, if you look at three candles which were formed one after another, you will see no gap between first and third candle. So our fair value gaps forms when there is noticeable gap between our first and third candle, which leave behind inefficiency in prices where prices can come before moving in its actual direction. This inefficiency shows quick movement of prices, leaving behind some unfulfilled orders where market could return. So this strategy is based on this concept. Let's understand this from one of the recent trades which I took on gold USD pair on 2nd July 2025. Traders, my first rule always remains same for all the strategies, that is, prices should take liquidity first. As you can see in the chart that prices took liquidity of our recent high, after which my second rule is prices should hunt liquidity forming fair value gaps. As you can see in the chart that three subsequent bullish bars with FVG took liquidity, after which my third rule comes that prices should immediately reverses bullish fair value gaps by forming bearish fair value gaps, which shows a sudden change in delivery of prices. I kept my limit order at low of first bullish candle with 1:2 RR ratio. Traders, you can see in the chart that prices exactly returned to my price point and moved to my TP zone. So traders, I hope you guys understood this beautiful concept. Please backtest it and see the results yourself. Thank you.